Teachers Day to Bhavna ma'am. Thank you ma'am for your support and guidance always. Happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
Teachers can affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops. Such an influencing personality is our principal ma'am, Bhavna ma'am. Respected ma'am, I want to thank you from the core of my heart for always standing beside me as a supporting pillar, as a mentor, and always guiding me and correcting me. Ma'am, without your motivation, nothing is possible. So, ma'am, I just want to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day and also wants to thank you for all the support that you showed to me ever.
A Teachers' Day celebration are incomplete without wishing the most important mentor in my life, that is you ma'am, a very happy Teachers' Day. We thank you for your unconditional support and love. You are an epitome of your profession. You scold us like your children and you adore us like your kids. We love you ma'am. A very happy Teachers' Day to the mom of all the teachers. Thank you for everything. A very happy Teachers' Day ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for being the bestest mentor. Always stay blessed and energetic. We love you ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, you are a wonderful leader. May Mata Rani bless you with all happiness and success in your life. Stay blessed. We love you.
Happy Teachers Day to everyone, and thank you management, to the principal ma'am and all other my colleagues who are supporting me in this lovely profession of the teaching. Thank you very much.
I sincerely thank my principal ma'am for always guiding me in the right path, for always motivating me, for always inspiring me to give my 100% to my students, and it is all due to your inspiration ma'am that I was able to give my all to my students. Thank you ma'am for guiding me and for motivating me.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, आपको आशा वाजपेयी एवं समस्त हिंदी विभाग का सुप्रभात तथा शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। समय समय पर हमारा मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए एवं हम सब पर अपना विश्वास बनाए रखने के लिए हम सब मिलकर आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए धन्यवाद देते हैं।
Words cannot describe how thankful we are for the work you do as principal. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. You have saved the condition for our teachers and the student to learn and succeed. We are forever grateful for your impact on this school. Thank you, ma'am, for all your support and guidance. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Wishing a very happy Teachers' Day. Whatever I have learned from you, that has impacted me in some and another way, and sometimes indirectly. You always guide me, motivates me, and in my difficulties to overcome them. Thank you so much in believing in me, and make this belief always please. They said that experience is the best teacher, but for me, having you as a principal is the best experience.
Hello, caring, engaging, dedicated, inspiring, motivated, helpful, mentored, none of other. She is our principal ma'am. So ma'am, thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning, principal ma'am. Today I Suraj Sharma here. We always motivated and inspired by you. Thank you ma'am and happy Teachers' Day.
Dear Principal Ma'am, I take this chance to thank you for all your support and guidance which you have offered to me. You have always been a very wonderful mentor. A very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Greetings of the day, ma'am, and happy Teachers' Day. You have been very kind and inspiring. I always get motivated with your incredible passion towards work. I am heartily thankful for your guidance. Keep your blessings on me as always. Thank you very much. Happy Teachers' Day once again.
Respected Principal Ma'am, for me you are like Swami Vivekanand who have blessed the life of many. Thank you so much for motivating us. Thank you so much for inspiring us. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, dear Principal Ma'am. we are feeling very happy to wish you, and we are grateful to God that we have got you as our mentor, as our principal.
Respected Principal Ma'am, I am really blessed to have such a guiding and motivating mentors. Keep guiding us the same way. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, your expert guidance and motivation has produced several diamonds out of the coal mine. Keep guiding us and inspiring us. Happy Teachers Day. We all love you, ma'am. Thank you.
सुप्रभात मैम, शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैम, हमारा सही मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए तथा हमें सही रास्ता दिखाने के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for setting higher expectation to our students and teachers. As a principal, you have shaped the condition to the teachers and students to learn and succeed. We are forever grateful for your impact on the school. So thank you so much, ma'am, and happy Teachers Day.
Good morning. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day, I, Anshu Chauhan, wish our respected Principal Ma'am a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you, ma'am, for guiding and supporting.
Teachers Day, ma'am. Your actions inspire others to dream more, to learn more, to do more, and to achieve more. You are a true leader. Thank you for inspiring us.
Respected Principal Ma'am, thank you for supporting and enlightening all my way. You inspire me always to do the best. So you are a wonderful principal, and I am lucky to have a principal like you. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, सुप्रभात। शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आपके अविस्मरणीय विश्वास और सहयोग के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you so much, ma'am.
Respected Principal Ma'am, thank you for all the guidance you have offered to us. You have been a fabulous mentor and a wonderful principal. Happy Teachers Day.
Respected Principal Ma'am, thank you so much for your positive influence and guidance always. Keep on showing us the right path always, ma'am. Thank you.
It's my privilege to work with you, not only as my principal, but also as my mentor.
Happy Teachers Day, dear Bhavna ma'am. You are not only our leader, you are our friend and a guide. We always be thankful for your support and motivation. We love you, ma'am.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for being a true visionary. Principals' hard work may often go unnoticed, but leaders like you play a huge role in success of teachers, staff and students. A very happy Teachers Day to you, ma'am.
Your actions inspire us to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. A very happy Teachers Day to our principal, Bhavna ma'am. Ma'am, you are truly a good leader.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Thank you for guiding us so well.
Respected Principal Madam, I am fortunate to have you as a mentor and guide. Wish you happy Teachers Day.
Very happy Teachers Day, Principal Ma'am. You are a role model who always inspires and encourages us. Strive for greatness and see the best in ourselves. Thank you, ma'am, for all this.
Respected Principal Ma'am, fortunate to have you as my mentor and guide. And thanks a lot for showing faith on me. And wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for supporting us at every step.
Thank you so much, Bhavna Ma'am, for being there with me like a sister, like a mentor, like a guider, like a philosopher, like a family. I think I wouldn't have joined even the school if you wouldn't have been there. It's you who is my hope, my strength, a person whom I trust upon the most in my life, professionally and personally. Whenever whatsoever help I have needed, you have always been there for me. And on this day, I really want to give a thanks note, though this is a very small token of love, a very small token of gesture, which might not describe what I have the feelings for you. But still, I really want to say thank you so very much, Bhavna ma'am. Thanks for being there. Happy Teachers Day.